My name is Haider Pasha. I'm the Chief Security Officer for Palo Alto Networks. So first of all, we'd like to congratulate the organizers for a fantastic event. We are a cybersecurity-focused company, so our focus is really to help organizations build a platform for integrating endpoints, networks, as well as cloud services and technologies together. So we encompass all three of those areas and help organizations look towards the future. So most of our technologies are across each one of these three pillars. So we've been in the kingdom for more than 10 years already, and we've been supporting both the government as well as the private sector really build what we refer to as cyber resilience strategies. So proactive cybersecurity strategies so that when an attack happens, and it's not a question of if anymore, but when the attack happens, they're well prepared and they can take action accordingly. Technology is one part of the process, but there's also the people and the overall processes that they need to deploy. So our focus is to really build on that and continue to help organizations in that respect. It's been a fantastic event. I think there's a lot of positive, areas where we see this really building over the course of the next few years as well. An event like LEAP is critical for the kingdom because as you look at the Vision 2030 and as you look at digitization across not just again in the private but also the public sector, events like this will really help bring together like-minded individuals to talk about digitization as well as the challenges and how you protect against those challenges as well. So an event like this has been an eye-opener for many of us. Very happy to see both the attendance as well as obviously the organization itself. We've had some excellent meetings. We've had the pleasure of meeting with some very ministers and very high-level individuals and dignitaries within the kingdom. Our president, worldwide president, is here from the Silicon Valley, from California as well. And so we've managed to really get together and really brainstorm around new ideas, new concepts, new services that we can deploy within the kingdom for the benefit of not just the enterprises or the corporations or the organizations, but also for the community itself and for the people of the kingdom itself. We look forward to returning. We look forward to returning in a big way as well, like we've presented ourselves this year. And we look forward to really continue to build that partnership with the LEAP organizers as well as, of course, the kingdom.